But basically, come and enjoy good music. It's going to be Enkosi Camagu and the ReSurge. Yeah, let's have fun. Come with me.
Hi.
What's that? Yeah, my brother. Yeah, the crowd now. Yeah, see you fresh, nigga. Excel my back. Voilà. Ah ouais, ouais. Excel much. Hello. Hi.
The second vocalist of the ReSurge band. Silaphe Woodstock for Nin, we just killed our performance. I think it's on 89.5 FM. Ne? You need to check Bush Radio on all social platforms. They're going to share. It was amazing. We had Enkosi Camagu, so we were supporting him as the ReSurge. So it was Enkosi Camagu and the ReSurge band. Yeah, so mini yethu yanamhlanje was smooth as a MF, yabo. Keep it parental. But yeah, guys, please follow us on all social media platforms. We're about to post the link to our band pages that's going to be created very soon, so please keep a lookout for that. Gonna give you guys some beautiful music, like some stuff you've never heard before. So yeah, thank you.